Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with BC, and this is my great new listing, unit number 7 at 4981 Radium Golf Course Road in the Radium Villas. So let's go take a look at this beautiful renovated unit with amazing views, amazing style. This is a really nice offering. Right, so here we are at the ground floor, kind of the entrance into unit number 7. So this is one of the larger lower floor units, which make use of the basement space for some of the bedrooms. You also get a covered parking space as well, a little bit of storage space in the front here, and then the rest of the space is within the unit. This section of the Radium Villas is really quiet. It's kind of tucked down below, away from the road. Super private, super quiet. And a nice mix of views, but also some shade and some trees. And this is kind of a mix of recreational use and full-time people living here full-time. So it's a nice balanced area. And we've got a little front patio here. And just kind of pan around so you can get a sense of the view off this front patio. Little view off the front patio. And again, super quiet area. So let's pop inside the unit. So as you enter, you'll notice the beautiful hardwood floor. Style and the staging in this unit is excellent. It's also a nice layout. You've got a logical area here for the entry closet and area for coats and stuff. And as you flow into the unit, one of the first things you'll notice is this stunning full bathroom. This is a beautiful bathroom, really well done. Very modern, amazing shower. I think this is the nicest bathroom in the entire complex. And also we've got bedroom right off of the entry here. So consistent flooring, again, really nice style, decent amount of natural light in this room. So built-in area here with the built-ins instead of having a closet. All right, so as we continue along, we've got a really stunning kitchen, which was also redone. So a really nice mixture of, you've got a darker granite countertop with this gorgeous stone backsplash, some floating shelves, stainless steel brand new appliances. All the appliances are new. The fridge is not stainless steel, but it is quite new as well. And really nice style for this kitchen. And it's also fairly open as well. So you've got a flow that kind of comes over here where there's some extra space that could be used as more kind of flex kind of office or additional storage for the kitchen, but it makes a lot of sense to kind of make use of that space, and then it flows naturally into the living room area and the dining room area. And so you've got great style in here, great flow, really livable space, and you'll notice too that this wood beam has been reclaimed and it looks amazing. So let's continue on. Sit-up bar area, dining room table, and then this flows outside, and this is one of my favorite parts. You've got this beautiful deck out here, stunning views of the Rocky Mountains, and you're overlooking the Radium Golf Course. So the Radium Golf Course is the original golf course. It's not super busy, but it is really pretty. And you've got a nice break in the trees here where you get some views, but you've also got some privacy and some shade. And it's a really nice sized deck, and great, you're kind of facing northeast, and get some morning sun on this side, but it's nice and enjoyable in the evenings, not super hot in the summer. So just kind of pan around. You've got a nice privacy screen there to the neighbors. So this is amazing back deck. So let's pop in downstairs and see some more bedrooms. So you've got the washer and dryer right here. This is a newer set as well. So pretty much all the appliances, including the hot water tank, have been replaced, which is excellent. And you've got a vinyl plank flooring down here, nice and consistent throughout the basement. So this bedroom is a really large room. So you've got a large room here, and it's got a closet as well as the wardrobe. And I'm just going to kind of pan around here so you can kind of get a sense of just how big this room is. We've got the second full bath down here. This one has a tub and a shower. And then on this end here, this used to be one large room. And so at this point, it's been split into 2 smaller rooms. But a person could take out that wall if you wanted to make this, again, a larger kind of rec room, or depending on what you wanted to do. Right now, this is kind of a tight little bedroom. The window is not really an egress window. That's kind of a small window under the deck, but it does allow a bit of natural light in. And so obviously it's kind of being used as a bedroom right now. And then this other room here is actually pretty large, but there is no window in this room, so we're not calling this one a bedroom. I'm going to highlight, we've got a closet under the stairs where you have the brand new hot water tank and a little bit of additional storage. So overall, this is a great offering for having this much space and livability, this kind of style, the views, and then the location. So check out the 3D tour, reach out to myself or your realtor to view this unit in person, and don't hesitate on this one. Thank you very much.